So we're absolutely starting to see the identification of the security profile of the information, as Mike mentioned. Could this information actually go into a public cloud and still be compliant with legislation and policy that's existent today? So we're starting to see that segmentation. If it's publicly accessible, publicly available, publicly transparent, put it in the public cloud. So there's that threat profile that needs to be determined around the criticality of this information and data. Because one thing that is of major concern is as data becomes information in this big data world, how does the classification of that information evolve and change? As I start to combine different sources of information or data and that makes information, what is the classification of that? So the industry is working on ways, and HP is working on ways in which we can help government define that classification of information as we talk about data interoperability and data integration as well. We're also looking at unique ways, because in this ever-changing world of cloud and versus traditional, in this multi-tenant world, how can you physically isolate these environments on a single server, on a single machine? So looking at it from a hardware perspective as well, being able to isolate these environments so that you can have multiple tenants on a single server, but have them securely isolated from one another as well. So the industry is starting to evolve in deploying technologies that actually enable this world instead of adopting what has traditionally been placed within traditional IT models.
Yeah, very good.
All right, so we're starting to see that evolution occur.